Hi, this is VBL. In this video, you are going to learn how op-amp can be used as a differentiator. For that, I have taken a op-amp with a dual power supplies plus V minus V, and non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Inverting terminal is connected to input voltage through a capacitor C1. The current flowing through that is represented it as I1, and we have got a feedback connection through a resistor called RF. Current flowing through that will be represented it as IF. Okay, output is taken at V0 terminal. So now the circuit connection is over. Now we need to proceed with the analysis. Step 1, where we will be taking the virtual ground property of a op-amp. By that I can write VB is equal to VA. What is VB? You know that it is connected to ground, so it will be equals to 0. What is VA? VA will also be equals to 0 since VB is equal to. Okay. Take this as a first equation. In the second step, we will be applying KCL to the node VA. So, when you apply KCL to this VA node, current entering is I1, current leaving is IF. So that IF is equal to I1. Now, you need to substitute for the current values. Step 3 says that you need to apply the values for IF and I1. Let us write. So, IF is nothing but here the current flowing through this resistor, that can be written as VA minus V0. I write VA minus V0 divided by the resistance RF is equal to, what is I1? See here, current flowing through this capacitor. Capacitor will be initially in charging mode during positive cycle, and it will be discharging in the negative cycle, right? So here I need to find out the difference because of the charging and discharging. So I will be writing the CF value, okay, or that is mentioned as C1. So C1 into d by dt of, this is VI minus VA. VI minus VA. Okay. So from equation 1, what you can write from equation 1, VA is equal to 0. So that what you will be getting here, minus V0 divided by RF is equal to C1 d by dt of VI, since VA is equal to 0. Okay. I rearrange this equation in terms of V0. V0 is equal to this minus sign and take it in the right side. So minus RF into C1. See here, this R is cross multiplied here, and then the remaining term is d by dt of VI. Okay. From this, what you can say, output voltage is a function of differential value of your input voltage, right? So that's why we will be getting a output waveform in this fashion. Let's write that. Let me take a square wave here. See here, this is 0, this is pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. Okay, it will be like this. For example, I have taken with some amplitude like this. So what will be getting at the output? This is with respect to time. VI is written here and V0. The same amplitude I have taken here. Okay, and how the output looks like. See here, when now what happens, see here, it is going from 0 to 1. So that what happens, the output reaches this negative amplitude, and then the difference between these 2 points, for example, I'll take this points like this. See, difference between these two is 0. So you will be getting a 0 like this. Okay, till the value which falls from high value to low value, till that it will be like this. And then when it gets a high value to low value, then you will be getting a sharp spike like this. And then it will be constant, that is 0, because from this point to this point the difference is 0. So that it will be in 0. When it goes from a low value to high value, it will be reaching like this. Okay, similarly during this period of time there is no difference, that is 0 difference, so that it will be in the 0 line, and then it goes to a high value when it falls from higher value to lower value. So this is the representation of output waveform of a differentiator circuit. If you observe here, the value of difference, that is 0 to 1, means it should come in the high value, that is positive cycle, but it is coming in the negative cycle. When the input is falling from higher value to lower value, the output should come in the negative cycle, but it is coming in the positive cycle. So this is because you know that input is fed in the inverting terminal of a op-amp. So that what happens, output will be an inverted form of your output voltage. That's all for this video.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe for more videos and press bell icon to get upload notification. And don't forget to comment your topic of interest in the comment section. Thank you.